Departing now is 318251 ScotRail service to Argyle. Guys, today we're at Hampton Central on the Argyle line. It goes round the bend. So guys, that Dalmuir train was cancelled, so ScotRail, more like ScotVail, sorry about that guys, due to driver shortages or whatever, coming in now. Right. Okay, we've got a class 320 ScotRail service to Dalmuir. Thanks for the wave.
The train arriving at platform 2 is the 1556 service to Rotherham. This train is for all 3 carriages.
Why does it say Anderston on the board if you won't be stopping there?
It's just automated. Just need to keep changing it when we get close to there.
Departing now, we've got a 320 ScotRail service to Dalmuir. At the back, it's 320. Oh, I can't really get the numbers. At the back, it's 320, 310. On Camden now, we've got a 320-4. Alright, 320 413 ScotRail service to Motherwell. Oh, the back is another 320-4. Oh wait, sorry guys, that's the same 320. ScotRail service to Motherwell. Departing now is 320 413 ScotRail service to Motherwell. Yeah, bye guys.